Hello again and welcome back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. Today we are going to be discussing listening in noisy environments with your hearing aids. So listening in background noise is one of the main problems people have with hearing loss. And so when we have hearing aids, this is a challenging environment where many people are seeking improvement. But how do we get the most out of our hearing aids when we're in these environments? Your devices, dependent on the level of technology, will likely have directional microphones and background noise reduction, and this will definitely help in these types of environments. But remember back to day 14 where we discussed the discrimination of sounds? Hearing aids aren't doing the work for you a lot of the time. They are giving your brain information to work with. So I find that when you're in noisy environments with your new hearing aids, it's worthwhile employing a few tactics to really get the most out of them. Firstly, positioning can make a significant difference. Try to sit with your back to any noise sources if possible. This allows the directional microphones in your hearing aids to better focus on the speech coming from in front of you. In a restaurant, for example, choosing a seat against a wall or in a quieter corner can help. Next, use visual cues to your advantage. Facing the person you're conversing with not only helps with lip reading, but also reduces the effort required to interpret speech. Make sure there's good lighting so you can easily see facial expressions and lip movements. Communication strategies also play a crucial role. Don't hesitate to ask people to speak clearly and to repeat themselves if necessary. I know you've just got brand new hearing aids, but remember where you are on this journey. Most people are willing to help once they understand your needs. Additionally, minimizing the number of conversations you're trying to follow at once can also aid in reducing the cognitive load, making it easier to focus on the conversation in hand. Remember, practice is key. The more you put yourself in challenging listening environments, the better your ability to navigate them will become. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Over time, you'll find strategies that work best for you and feel more confident in social situations. Finally, if you're still finding it difficult to hear in noisy settings, discuss this with your audiologist during your follow-up appointments. They might adjust your hearing aid settings or recommend accessories which can further enhance your ability to hear in challenging environments. I'm going to talk more about these tomorrow. Adjusting to hearing aids in noisy settings is a journey, and it's okay to have moments of frustration. However, with the right strategies and a bit of patience, you'll find that these environments become less daunting. Keep up the great work, and remember, every day with your new hearing aids brings you one step closer to mastering all types of listening situations. See you tomorrow for day 17.